Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Range Rover steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental airbag deployment during the process. After disconnecting, wait for at least 2 minutes to allow any residual power to dissipate. Also, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and the front wheels are pointing straight ahead before you begin. Next, we'll focus on safely removing the airbag module. You'll find 2 or 3 small access holes on the back of the steering wheel. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole to release the retaining clips. Once released, gently pull the airbag module away from the wheel. Remember to disconnect the 2 electrical connectors attached to the module before setting it aside. With the airbag safely removed, it's time to detach the steering wheel itself. You'll need a suitable socket wrench to loosen and remove the large central nut holding the wheel in place. Before fully removing it, it's a good idea to mark the steering wheel and the shaft. This ensures correct alignment when you reinstall it later. Then, gently wiggle the wheel to loosen it from the splined shaft. Finally, carefully pull the steering wheel straight off the shaft. Be very careful not to rotate the clock spring, as this can cause significant damage and costly repairs. Once removed, store both the steering wheel and the airbag module in a safe, cool, and dry place, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Following these steps ensures a smooth and safe removal process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.